This video will show you a detailed guide on how to delete Instagram photos on iPhone. Part 1. How to delete Instagram photos posted on iPhone. To delete a photo you've posted, you can do it directly through the Instagram app. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Scroll through your posts and select the photo you want to delete. Step 4. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Step 5. Choose Delete from the menu. Step 6. Confirm again by tapping Delete. Once deleted, the photo disappears permanently from your profile and your followers' feeds. Part 2. How to delete multiple Instagram photos posted on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 3. Under How you use Instagram, select your activity. Step 4. Then, under Content you've shared, tap Posts, and you'll find all the posts you've shared on Instagram. Step 5. Tap Select in the top right, then choose the posts you want to delete. Step 6. Tap Delete at the bottom, then tap Delete again to confirm. This method lets you delete multiple posts at once, making it much faster and easier than deleting them individually. Part 3. How to archive an Instagram post on iPhone. If you don't want to permanently delete a photo but don't want it to appear on your feed, then archive is a better option. Archived posts won't be visible to others, but you can restore them at any time. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and go to the post you want to archive. Step 2. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Archive. Step 4. The post will be removed from your profile, but saved in your archive section, which you can access by tapping the clock icon in the top right corner of your profile. Part 4. How to clear Instagram photo caches on iPhone. If deleted Instagram photos still appear on your iPhone, it's likely due to lingering photo caches. To fix it, use a third-party tool like Coolmuster iOS Cleaner. It allows you to clear Instagram photo caches on iPhone with one click. In addition to photo caches, the tool can remove other junk files such as app caches, cookies, temp files, crash logs, and more, all without needing to uninstall the Instagram app. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the Coolmuster iOS Cleaner on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. When the program automatically detects your iPhone, this program will show different cleaning mode on the interface. Step 2. Then you might choose the first cleaning mode to clean Instagram photo caches on iPhone. Check the box before Photo Caches and Other Options, and click the Start Scan button to see the details on your iPhone. Step 3. After a quick scan, you can see how many photo caches are stored on your iPhone. Simply check the box before Photo Caches and Other Options, and hit the Clean and OK buttons to start cleaning Instagram photo caches on iPhone all at once.